This is part 2 of WebPath Express Research Tool. This instructional video will show you how to find reliable information sources through visual search. First, type the URL of ACS Destiny System, library.acs-schools.com. Click on Destiny Library Catalog. Choose ACS Doha Lower School Library and click on Catalog. Without logging in, choose WebPath Express and on the top right corner menu, click on Visual Search. And then choose a category. Let's say I'm going to choose Language Arts. And then a subcategory, Literature. And I'm going to find a website for fiction versus nonfiction. So I will click Find It. And this is the result of my search. So to go to the website, you just have to click on the title of the subject or the title of the URL. So this is fiction versus nonfiction. So that's it. You can start your research.